de meje no wa kraka ho isi aso books ni bank kakra
e pesa o bem
sa enchemti ni be yesa ode no sita na me kura de me nsam pie
o be sa hye
ofe so me hye dem wani afa
misua sa e dem tena ne hwenie
afa no misua to kwalabre mu kwalabre no me pie afa
yo
na pom te den
adom
Kofi Annan nkrofo no se den
wajatum
sisi amaka make amfante o ko yedu Kofi Annan kwa ne do te ode ye konfante
wajatum o se onye na adwena abofa na opipian
wa pedro right offer last week
you can't see no you can ya sa abofa he pa
oh yes ti ano fompe asama ba akwai se asofo ya na mo so mo na enwosere nyina wo mo so a omo dwo mo homenan on se omo paaye na Kennedy so mu no esi a nsempie
mamo
anti papa yi wo hoi na obo ade e de nya ho de ne nim de nya sa to ni so de ya no ya mpada ya papa se me ma mu nyina ho mwachi a ko betre ni si abaye wono nko na bible ya twere se no se emfumso mu a otimu se ahane emfumso ofa
ya
ebere na ka ne odia
yo ebeda etiefo ase ene ahwefo ene so ya sanso aba edwaso biem ya ba so dem so mo bo wo mo collection na no ya ene week de kan Kofi Annan issue obusanfo na frɛ omo che say wajatum
okay
na mo no abafo opipian
okay
na anya Kofi na adwen
nje di na enta se ko na o se de eta e di enta
ewu ye na wo say na opanyin fita na to no we di viahe na wo say se mo wona ya kana kwala chire won there ni ejide onfo ho also wahu wajatum to go hwe pa na mo no Kofi abafo na opipian
okay
na onya na adwen it's fine ya ba san so akosoma amanfo enya education ene ne be ya e kakra collection kakra esimfo moderness ebinum frame
okay
ya kan abro wasam
yes
ema e chere say DuPont pania ene de bro no call astronomy
okay
onipa me kan de fa Salisu
okay
Madam Salisu
omo frɛ o
yes aso you create ka se pa no mo call bi mo abro ne mo sika no mo enye DuPont no mo enye USA
okay
no say sa ti Madam Salisu mo ba challenge ye also me ka se me challenge mo program de bia na me ti
okay
no mo no be say me ye collection say enye
US
DuPont pania
the US okay
so what who they are documents ni
okay
ye ma osika say ma musika also mo ya American for
okay
ne mo sika ni abro e ka ho na botaya say ka che mo say omundua ombeto abro no e dey call other countries a ekomo ho no
yes
no mo nya sika since o mo sire mo no a o mo ye hand to mouth no no mo nya hwe no e dey bu na bre wo mo so omundua ta to sika e pisa ma wo mo ene inuro no gugu abro no so
okay
mo enye DuPont pania ya anu ni
okay we about the bokrata is it new business guide mu in a buy that was date 23rd October 2014 na a Thursday headline or say DuPont pioneer USA initiate moves to increase or say DuPont pioneer USA initiate moves to increase productivity and profitability of Ghana maize farmers.
Okay. They say asema ya kan bi no hono twa nkontompo. Also on the we DuPont pioneer of USA.
Into America first paragraph na permanent.
Thank you.
Or see DuPont pioneers global agricultural development together with USAID has launched an initiative to boost maize production among smallholder farmers in Ghana.
Yeah, but we.
Who say USAID in Kwan. It was together with DuPont pioneer.
Yeah, a grown model of Solomon. Nenina.
Okay.
Don't know about them or mono. So, would do too much.
Okay.
What to know about that? But to be a low sperm count. Because a blow, a man in such a way say, and bet see, ya was so.
Yes.
It's a man of Salisu, I would say, my team, you know. So what catch me a that's what catch the point na de ba what
me be so busa mala mama say enti bread ya broni ska no mo say omunua no bebre no mfa bi nkọ aman ekom do mo so no omo start ye no ayan bi o mefa broni ko sa aman no so very good omo no mu dibia no mu ndibi
omo
ye malam
omo dibi
broni nim say dia wo be dibi o fa ni nyina nkọ
say enne ni kreme hu say broni de ye nie
okay
no mo so omo de kan omo duane no hu say enye original one no
very good nti ewuba
yeah
enyangu ya ewuba
and before yawo ye ko so here education
sir
na here bibi aban bia ba inu so oba ebeboa ye
yes
until the Minister of Agriculture on agri sector
sir
Minister of Education on education so
yes
Minister of Edos mebre procurement minister ajosafo on say bia ye ma contract bia ye muska dey engu so
yes
na ye mo ha kakra
okay
me how no say me hear some information am hu say dey bi o say me ye careful obi ha bibia so no enye careful e me ye nje ye benefo no bebre no an any too much aburo ya kan wase me aburo yi so many countries e wo wi ase e hu say aburo no American for the aburo we say no e dey ba about the reduce population our Africa and some other countries. I'm no crown pono Germany and some part of European countries we want more a Bruno or my say yempo yemanimu.
Okay.
Yempo GM I did a genetically modified food be an almost 1 month pet. That's okay.
Yeah.
I don't need good. Then I say you be minister for agriculture be or say a rather some
yes.
Funny, 50 quality. So young tungu, I don't know.
Farmers urge to ignore claims against GMOs.
What?
Daily Graphic, 11th March 2015 or the buy. Fifi Kwete, Minister of Food and Agriculture.
Agriculture Minister, Fifi Kwete.
Okay.
Osema obia ni say GMO no eku nipa, ese nipa, enya de papa, eye good pa ntino obia nyi ntum. Na omo ye meeting with American White House. Say me prove Fifi Kwete wrong. Although your former minister there, and so obey Minister for Agriculture, I'm a boy. Wa ma am a boy. Mkoya program was Unique FM. Sabe na omo ye Farmers Day e ho no mo. Na ma pere ma mo nyina ho no mo. Na me say na omo tie be program no. E was Unique FM.
Okay.
And of friend me, who's got a friend me?
Yes, story.
Yeah. And I say, me you me who say. I did more year no one. A GM.
Okay.
And the two. Omode ensa e dey ma award ko for dua.
Okay.
Now obe check it. So who say enye no credit ya. What you be to me ewo.
You show you where power lies.
You show me where the power lies. No no the friend me. Yeah.
Who say we?
Man no ma uhu.
Menya the number ma.
Sao.
Aye.
Never cho.
Oh, odugusi issue. Your minister nko na me pe number dia me wo.
Besi enne of friend be biem. Oko check you who say no kura no. Minister of Agriculture if you kwete. Wa friend me biem e be sin ne. Twade omo ye meeting with American. Na be of copy information dey be no be of copy free here.
Akra.
Omo ye meeting with White House. I be can say the genetically modified food. Ebe reduce population our Africa.
Okay.
Ewa ha say. Now on the podcast some say no, ya onye ne patoa. Or therefore pa oba power ben pa. Babesia.
Okay.
Eno ni na amafo who date no.
Daily Graphic, 2nd April 2009.
Thank you.
Earth population exceeds limits.
What?
I don't know we are saying.
That's a question.
Sir, Chirano Krewum, or see a near Dore, Sampo and 1 year.
Name your boy, no. Don't know how to say I can ma. Almost say you say I am at the Tibu.
Oh, okay. Was it there are already too many people living on planet Earth, according to one of most influential science advisors in the US government?
What? Oh, what did you? Why being rough?
Nina Fedorov.
Thank you.
Told the BBC One Planet program that humans had exceeded the Earth limit of sustainability. Dr. Fedorov has been the science and technology advisor to the U.S. Secretary of State since 2007, initially working with Condoleezza Rice. Under the new Obama administration, she show advises Hillary Clinton.
What? One woman know.
She now advises Hillary Clinton.
Yeah.
Okay.
The same woman know fancy there or a champion.
And I quote here.
Yes.
We need to continue to decrease the growth rate of the global population. The planet can't support many more people. Dr. Fedorov said, stressing the need for humans to become much better at managing wildlands and in particular water supplies. Pressed on whether she thought the world population was simply too high, Dr. Fedorov replied, and I quote, there are probably already too many people on the planet, unquote. A National Medal Science Laureate, America's highest science award. The professor of molecular biology believes part of that better land management must include the use of genetically modified foods.
So, if you go to say GM food, any problem be now, when are you minister?
Okay. I'm penning the minister.
That is it. And you know, what do you have, brother? What you creator? I was saying, you're the GM. I better do the population. I'm any password to we are saying. I'm so many countries. Actually, say genetically modified food, you know, and yet I'm a banana airport a few of countries.
Yes.
That's a boy at home. I know. We are a great minister. Over catch say, or we can't certify GM who are a good rather some. My young Montungu now, what I say.
Okay. I know that. So I catch you say, of Fanny Altun said, you're canning no cry. About what to Kakanka.
A blow ya, so a binny. A blow no. One more time, and a blow about here. Only. A brother binny.
Okay.
Yeah, Opa, you're not surveying. What you mean, you survey. Gonna for you for me to be one. I am more power.
Oh, if I say no crack.
I'm a mother. But I want to know a man, I'm on my
and a man from Cradiavi 2 million, a job menses in a problem. Either saw ban or better for some months, not the menses in a bonus. I want him.
Yeah, can't say more. I say, I'm a young can trot that. Until I'm up for fire, some say, and you're on watch. I'm doing baby. Well, until so quite a copy. My son friend say, what can you? I'm poor. I said, the Canadian poor, I suffer. I feel no, I feel, hey, some can you? I said, come on, Tiasiana. This is a moment I can Japan can't and one say, and correct.
Yes.
I say, I saw him finish a pop. I tell you, read. And the mom, the echo. Oluma will say, on to me can't send me a trot that.
Yes.
But a bit no. I know this man very well. And to know, say, can't be said, never bar. Yeah, I can't say, I say, the robotic era.
Yes.
They say, a Jimmy Accra. It may do no, Corona by no. One offer robots. No, much show no more. It will fear the test. Yeah, you ready? Oh,
means you be matter.
Offer, there be for Joanne, no framing. Let me say Israel, but no direct. Only me the minimum TV so. Me yet will be seen about money. Yeah, you made it. Now, me say, I'm can't me say robotic era. A boss are possible robot will be able to do one more. Until here, you're born by the panel, or saying I am coffee. It's man robot by
Juma.
Some more kind of back, so of a kind.
Yeah, the answer I thought about trash and a truck. It's what thought traffic be any.
Yeah, can't send me trunk content put that upper market and then the China, a baby man son of you say. And you know, GM Bruno, Ghana government, every defender, you know, you are a Pascal. 2. Yow, say, open say, Usha Musuya, men time ye aban any baby. The men got new, men time ye need me.
The Okana said, the entire said, oh, yeah, by any baby, I bring a broken heart.
Daria, the friend or might be Zambia. Zambia for, I can't say, or what come say, Sa GM no. Eye kodi ewu.
Okay.
Obi tia say also your Minister of Agriculture say e dey good ntie ni no. Yeah.
Zambiri. Okay. Headline was move to push GM crops in Africa.
What?
Into Basia. Zambia has reaffirmed that it will not allow modified foods to enter the country without further research.
What?
With Deputy Agriculture Minister.
What?
Charles Kabag.
Deputy Agriculture Minister for Zambia. Kwanda na fio pomo eye ye no fio ma no. Na Ghana de ye Minister of Agriculture no of one. Welcome.
Okay. Deputy Agriculture Minister Charles Kabag saying in Lusaka that there is a lack of evidence that it is harmful to human health and the environment.
What?
During particular during particular severe food shortage 18 months ago, Zambian President Levi Wanawasa described GM food as poisonous and intrinsically dangerous.
Yeah, at your phone to you. Nina make you say you were minister be or agriculture minister. Now no wonder the way I quite so you penny for no and Africa for your problem kasa. I quite so you penny for your problem can say Africa for papa. Obi say apostle Joseph. Papa o ya ka si. You can say ki kampa na ki kampa. And ka agree ki from all we say.
And one can.
Anya juma. Because on the political party, eti yemfa ema no obi o time choko school abochire wonye kuya da na number be agric minister and so o promote
se ka krade to ahe ohun susu se we kotokuru da na we brantan
onim ntropo but we oba man say oba agric minister
ajoba dede onima de kro
yeah eti no ya ma akuafo so mo nye careful
okay
ada tu ya because bi say am me ntanje aban edisa brigade na me ncho fana hom pam de ne bibia ne hu bom mu obaka asem bi o se omo e design vaccine no a omo de ama aban
yes
na aban de reduce population our country
entia na aban no onim se o de reduce the population there
yo omo
onim pa
we have something called oath.
Yes, oath of secrecy.
Thank you. They know. But ne yire ne ma. Ne hunam for there yaw, they will never. So remua, if you go to office as a presidency, there are some laws we want to say hu ni nyina. Nyanya na ode ba yo.
Oba to say that.
You have to apply and obey. I don't think I go hospital. When we say code of ethics. Doctor ni untumi nka ye kola boso so ye ntua waka na call baby enti nipa ye wiase mu yawo ye wo program
yes
onyame
ne hwe ni
pa ana o hwe ni pa boy ho ban empenifo adwemu de se o empenifo mutumi boy ho ban yawo bo se o mu edi ewu wiase man ne kan ye yawo anadwuma na o makeka sa o mu design vaccination no me de ama government no me de ati yawo so ni e bebe na wu
I say, did Bill Gates admit vaccinations are designed so government can depopulate the world? I say no, sir. I say the computer magnet believes that vaccines can be used to reduce childhood mortality and ultimately reduce population growth through associated social changes, not as an agent of death. Memorance ya.
Yeah. What's it? Onye agent of death.
The computer magnet.
Oye, Barcelona
believes that vaccines can be used to reduce childhood mortality.
Yes.
And ultimately reduce population growth through associated social changes, not as an agent of death.
Anna Nere. Ebe ka se mi say yaw brigade yo oba na okunu omo na kona krana France for scientists be television so okay
yes corona yi ni ti.
Thank you. Omo kan say yeah the vaccination no aba be try before answer. Jamabo. Thank you.